Welcome back to House. Ben,
Yo.
how am I going to make $50,000 today in one word? Or 2 words? Or 3 words?
OnlyFans. Is that what it's called?
It is. It's controversial. We're not going into what it is, but OnlyFans, yes. People make a lot of money. So, right or wrong, it's market at play. Demand and supply.
Well, it is.
Yeah, obviously there's a market for it. I'm not getting into it, but only there's a market for it. So you can earn a lot of money. If your content is what people want, they're going to pay for it.
Well, it's really, from how I see it, it's really another form of YouTube. Exactly what we're doing.
Exactly.
There's really, I don't see the difference. But I only found out about this last week, in all honesty.
Yeah.
It was brought to my attention.
By whom? I don't know, but exactly. I've heard about it. I don't know much about it. Haven't been on it yet. As you say, it's just a platform. Market forces at play. Content is what people want. They'll pay for it. Demand and supply.
Yeah, for sure. Well, the person who brought it to my attention last week, he knew about it because a friend of his actually, I'll tell you what they do, his feet.
What do you mean they do his feet?
Well, from what I understand, he does something with his feet.
Okay.
And people pay because obviously there's people out there and they have fetishes for whatever the case may be. Some people may have it for a, I don't know, like a sweep or whatever the case may be.
Correct.
But people have a fetish for feet.
Correct. So there's a lot of people out there, a lot of people live their lives on the internet. They don't
100%.
interact as we did
Nope.
20, 30 years ago.
Especially in this day and age.
Correct. So
Everything is online.
their entire entertainment
Billion-dollar industry.
is on the internet.
Yeah, definitely.
Correct. So that's interesting. $50,000. Yeah, you could make
If
a
I was
lot of money.
If I had the opportunity, I would dress up as a cat cooking food for 50K.
Why wouldn't you?
Well, why couldn't you do that on there? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, presumably you can do what you like
Well, there you go.
to a point.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, that will be interesting. I'm looking forward to that.
I'm not doing it.
$50,000.
No, not enough for me to dress up as a cat. I don't think so. From what I understand, there may be, it's not maybe, there's nudity involved in some channels or whatever the case may be. Look, the stuff's everywhere anywhere now from what I see. So if you're able to tap in, as you rightly say, tap into the market for something, you're not hurting anyone, inflicting damage upon yourself. Free market.
Well, with the access that the internet provides, it's unbelievable. You can do it. You can base your entire business over the internet. Most people do it.
Yep. It's actually the smart way to go.
Absolutely.
In this day and age.
In terms of, and this is finance related, scalability of the business.
Yep.
So you can tap into the entire planet. Anyone who's got access to the internet and their mobile phone.
You're not stuck in one office.
Not at all.
Overheads involved.
You've got the freedom. You've got the subscription-based model to it.
Yes.
And that's a very advantageous business model.
Yeah, it's a lucrative business model.
Correct. So there's a lot to be said for utilising what we have in terms of the internet to your advantage.
Agree.
So that is something to take home.
Definitely. Hope you've enjoyed our OnlyFans. Is it OnlyFans?
It is. This is as far as we will go. Thank you.
Take care.